All right. So what happened?
Trix was my first favorite, and then Corn Pops, and then Fruit Loops.
The top three winners.
Uh-huh.
Who were the top three losers?
Oh, God.
What's
They're
this one?
bad.
What's that?
I don't even say it so bad. Peanut Butter Captain Crunch. Ew.
What was number?
Don't eat Peanut Butter Captain Crunch or Golden Grams or
Golden Grams you did not like.
Honey Nut Cheerios. Do not eat them. The most fruity were Trix. Those chocolate were Cocoa Pebbles. Cocoa Puffs.
Okay.
No sugar. Cocoa Krispies, saltiest.
What was
Cinnamon
that?
Toast Crunch and crunchiest Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And the most grossest was Peanut Butter Captain Crunch. It's so gross. Don't eat it.
Does it taste like peanut butter?
No.
What's it taste like?
Artificial peanut butter flavoring.
Oh, okay.
Tastes bad.
Are you gonna eat all the rest of the cereal?
I won't eat this, or this though.
All right. Did you have fun?
Yes, I had a lot of fun.
All right, good. Bye.
Bye.